Hi friends, welcome to all. In this video, we are going to configure IPv6 static routing. And here we can see the topology we are going to use in this lab. And also we can see the IPv6 addressing table. So we will use these addresses in our lab activity. Before this lab, friends, if you like our channel, please subscribe and share. Also, if you wish to get any technical support, you can contact our team. All the details given in the description below. Coming back to our lab, first of all, we will design our topology. Keep all the required devices. Consider this is R1, S1, R2, S2, PC1 and PC2. We will connect all these devices, copper straight through cable. PC will connect to a switch, fast Ethernet 0/1. Then from a switch G0/1 to R1, G0/0/1. Then from R1 to R2, G0/0/0 to G0/0/0. Then from R2, G0/0/1 to G0/1. And to the PC, so topology is ready now. We'll go to options, preferences, and here we will choose always show port labels in logical workspace so that we can see all the ports we connected. We have seen already our IPv6 addressing table. So just I will label here the network address we use 2001:DB8:1:/64. So we will use this network address for this R1 LAN. Other side on R2 LAN, we will use 2001:DB8:2:/64. And here between R1 and R2, we will use 2001:DB8:F:/64. Okay, I will keep this topology left side so that we can see our addressing table here. Now we will configure R1. Now enable configure terminal. Just we will set the host name as R1. Now IP domain lookup. And also we will configure IPv6 unicast routing, because here we use IPv6 address. We will configure interface G0/0/1 on R1. Go to interface G0/0/1 and set IPv6 address 2001:DB8:1:1/64. Also we will set link local IPv6 address, IPv6 address FE80:1 as link local. Then activate this interface, that is G0/0/1, which is connected to our switch S1. Now we will configure our PC1. We will set IP address desktop IP configuration, and here we set IPv6 configuration. Here we can see when we click on automatic, we get the IPv6 address automatically using Slack. So, but here we are going to assign IPv6 address as per our addressing table 2001 colon db8 colon 1 double colon f and a prefix /64, and default gateway we will give our link local IPv6 address we configured on R1, that is FE80 double colon 1. Here just we will test the connectivity from PC1 to this interface G0/0/1. Ping 2001 colon db8 colon 1 double colon 1 IPv6 address of our router. Right. Also, we'll try to ping to our link local IPv6 address, that is ping FE80 double colon 1. And here we can see we get the replies. Now on the other side, that is on R2 LAN, we will configure this interface G0/0/1 and we can see IPv6 network address 2001 colon db8 colon 2 double colon /64, and we will use the first usable IPv6 address on this interface. Coming to R2 CLI, now enable configure terminal. Let me set the host name as R2. Now IP domain lookup. Also will give IPv6 unicast routing. Then we will go to interface G0/0/1 and we will set IPv6 address. This 2001 colon db8 colon 2 double colon 1/64. Also we will set IPv6 address link local FE80 double colon. Here we will set a different link local IPv6 address other than we configured on R1. So here I will give 2 FE80 double colon 2 as a link local. Activate this interface and no shutdown. Perfect. Next we will configure our PC2 with the IPv6 address. Coming to PC2 desktop IP configuration. Here also we are going to configure static IPv6 configuration instead of automatic. So 2001 colon db8 colon 2 double colon f /64 and a default gateway FE80 double colon 2. So we can test the connectivity. We will ping from PC2 to the router R2. Ping 2001 colon db8 colon 2 double colon 1. So here we can see we get the replies. Also we can ping to link local IPv6 address, that is FE80 double colon 2. Okay, we get the replies. Now we are going to configure the link between R1 and R2. First of all, we will configure G0/0/0 on R1. And here we will give 2001 colon db8 colon f double colon 1/64. We will go to that interface. G0/0/0 and we will set IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon f double colon 1/64. IPv6 address FE80 double colon 1 as link local. Activate this interface by no shutdown command. On the other side, interface G0/0/0 on R2. interface G0/0/0, IPv6 address 2001:db8:f:2/64. Also we will configure IPv6 address link local FE80:2 as link local. Activate this interface by no shutdown command. So here we can see the link between R1 and R2 is up. Here this router R1 is aware of two networks, that is its directly connected networks 2001:db8:1:: and f::. And this router is not aware of this remote network, that is 2001:db8:2:/64. So we are going to configure IPv6 static route here on R1. Same way, we can see R2 is aware of two networks, that is db8:2 and db8:f, but this R2 is not aware of this remote network, which is the R1 LAN 2001:db8:1:/64. So we will configure that on R2. Here just we will go to R1 and we will give a do show IPv6 route. And here we can see connected networks. Also in this router R2, do show IPv6 route. And here we can see two connected networks. So first of all, we will configure on R1. Coming to R1, and here we can see the remote network, that is a 2001:db8:2:/64. In global configuration mode, we will configure IPv6 route, then remote network, that is 201:db8:2:/64. Then we will specify the next hop IPv6 address. So to reach to this network, next hop address is IPv6 address of G0/0/0 on R2. That is 2001:db8:f::2. We will verify our routing table. Show IPv6 route. And here we can see that static route to be configured 2001:db8:2:/64 via R2. Now we are going to configure on R2. Remote network is a 2001:db8:1:/64, and we will use here next hop IPv6 address, that is the IPv6 address of G0/0/0 on R1. So we will do the configuration. In global configuration mode, IPv6 route network address is 2001:db8:1:/64. Then we must specify next hop IPv6 address, IPv6 address of next hop, right? So that is 2001:db8:f::1. We will verify the configuration, show IPv6 route, and here we can see that IPv6 static route to be configured via R1. Okay, finally we are going to test the connectivity from PC1 to PC2. We'll ping to PC2 2001 colon GB8 colon 2 double colon F. Right. So we get the replies. We can ping to 2 double colon 1. We get the replies. We can ping locally also 1 double colon 1. It's working. Great. Friends, that's all in this lab activity, that is IPv6 static routing configuration. Now, dear friends, if you get any doubt regarding this activity, please comment below, or you can contact our team. All the details given in the description below. Stay connected. We will meet again with the next video. Thank you.